A while back, I started using Koala glass cleaner, and it turns out, well, this product's made in the USA, by the way, but it turns out that regular glass cleaner has harsh chemicals like ammonia in it and other harsh chemicals that can actually dissolve the ultraviolet coating on your glasses. But more importantly, what I discovered was that my cell phone, this is a Samsung, it always seemed dirty. No matter what I did, no matter when I cleaned it, I always had fingerprint smudges on it. So I did some research, and it turns out that Samsung, along with Google Pixel and Apple, say never, ever use regular household glass cleaner because of the chemicals that are in there. It can dissolve the coating that's put on top of the glass to prevent against fingerprints. Well, this particular one comes in a 2-pack. I keep one in my car. I keep one here by my desk. It includes 2 microfiber cloths. And I'll tell you, I couldn't be more satisfied. I recommend you give it a try.